Hello everyone, welcome to MindCurve. If you are planning to take the PL-400 exam and want to pass it on your first try, let me show you how this practice test can help you do exactly that, easily and confidently. Whether you are a Power Platform developer, a D365 Pro, or just starting your certification journey, this test is made for you. We have included 120 plus unique, non-repetitive questions along with case studies and mock tests, covering all key categories Microsoft focuses on, like create a technical design, build Power Platform solutions, extend the platform, and more. Our questions are verified by our certified consultants, so you are getting top-tier preparation that mirrors the real exam. Don't leave your success to chance. Enroll in the MindCurve's PL-400 practice test today and start your certification journey with confidence. Let's make that pass guaranteed.